Today I'm going to talk to you about area and perimeter of rectangles. Let's start with a formula. To find the area, we're just going to multiply the length times the width. And to find the perimeter is just the distance around the outside. So I can do it by adding up all the sides. So length plus width plus length plus width. Or I can do 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. We're going to look at a couple of examples. Alright, to find the perimeter of this first one, I'm adding up all my sides. So I'm going to add up 7 plus 9. I know that this side is also 7 and this side is also 9. Plus another 7 plus another 9. Which this part gives me 16, plus another 16 would give me 32, and it is yards. To find the area, all I have to do is multiply my length times my width. So I'm going to do 9 times 7, which gives me 63. So this is 63 square yards, and we write it as yards with that little 2 there. We'll look at one more. To find the perimeter, I'm going to add up all my sides. So if this is 9, up here also has to be 9. If this is 6, over here also has to be 6. So now I'm going to add up 6 plus 9 plus 6 plus 9. This gives me 15, plus another 15 would give me 30 centimeters. And then to find my area, I'm going to multiply my length times my width. My length is 6. My width is 9, so I'm going to do 6 times 9, which gives me 54. So my answer is 54 square centimeters. Something else that you're going to have to do is find a missing side length when you know either the perimeter or the area. So we will look at a couple of those. Here I know that this side is 2 yards. I don't know what this side is, but I know that my area is 18 square yards. So that means that I know that when I multiply my length times my width, it's going to give me 18. Well, my length is 2, so 2 times whatever my width is going to give me 18. So now I can either say 2 times what gives me 18, or I could do 18 divided by 2, and either way I'm going to come up with that my missing side length is 9, and since the other side was in yards, I'm going to label that yards. Then I'm just finding my perimeter. So 2 plus 9 plus 2 plus 9 gives me 22. You might also need to find a missing side when you know the perimeter. This part is a little bit trickier. So I know that when I add up all 4 of my sides, it's going to give me 18 meters. So when I add up 7 plus my length, that's going to give me 18. Well, 7 plus 7, I know that that's 14. So 14 plus this part is going to give me 18. Well, I know that this part together needs to be 4, because 14 plus 4 gives me 18. And I need to split it in half, because half of it is here and half of it is here. So this part would give me 2 meters. So then to find my area, I'm just doing 7 times 2, which is 14 meters squared, or squared meters. All right, I hope that helps.